Good morning, students. Now our next problem is some problem based on scalar product. Next problem is find A dot B where vector A is equal to 2i plus 2j minus k and vector B is equal to 6i minus 3j plus 2k. So two vectors are given and we want to find the scalar product of given two vectors. So student, solution number first. How we can solve it? Given vector A is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap minus k and vector B is equal to 6i cap minus 3j cap plus 2. Students, earlier I told you how you can find the scalar product. So we find A dot B dot product of the scalar product of A and B is equal to A dot B is equal to 2i plus 2j, what is it? 2i plus 2j minus k and dot 6i minus 3j plus 2. Now, this product is component to this vector is component. So students, dot product करेंगे इसका हम लोग, तो i का i से करेंगे, j का j से करेंगे और k का k से आदर से करते हैं तो i कैट डॉट j कैट 0 होता है, j कैट डॉट k कैट 0 होता है। तो अगर आदर से करते हैं i का j से करते हैं, j का k से करते हैं या k का i से करते हैं तो 0 हो जाएगा आपका। तो हम लोग i डॉट i तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 into 6 और i डॉट i हम लोग जाएगा +2 into -3 plus -1 into 2. Then since I dot I equal to j dot j is equal to k dot k equal to 3 1. सब मालूम है बाकी अलग से करेंगे I dot j 0 हो जाएगा, k dot k 0 हो जाएगा equal to 0. तो यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स क्या आंसर आएगा 12 minus 6 minus 2 which is answer 4. फिर थोड़ा सा अपडेट टू वेक्टर इज 4. Now friends, moving on. Second problem. What is second problem? Find the value of p for the vectors a. What is vector a? 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 9k cap and vector b equal to vector b is equal to I cap plus p j cap plus 3k cap are perpendicular students and number second पैरेलल। तो हमको p की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है जबकि ये दोनों वेक्टर पहले परपेंडिकुलर हो और बाद में पैरेलल। तो फर्स्ट परपेंडिकुलर when a vector a and vector b are perpendicular और ऑर्थोगोनल, एक दूसरे पर परपेंडिकुलर हो दोनों वेक्टर, ये वेक्टर a हो ये वेक्टर b हो स्टूडेंट्स परपेंडिकुलर हो। if when vector a and vector b are perpendicular then I have equal to the formula then scalar product a dot b is equal to c. तो यहाँ पर a का जब b से डॉट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 0. तो 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 9k cap is equal to dot i cap plus pj cap plus 3k is equal to 0. और स्टूडेंट डॉट प्रोडक्ट में करेंगे तो सिमिलर कंपोनेंट का हो जाएगा i से करेंगे 3 into 1 कंपोनेंट करते हैं 3 into 1 प्लस j का कंपोनेंट यहाँ से होगा वापस से 2 यहाँ से फिर 2 into p कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स 9 into 3 is equal to 0. just this 3 1 जा 3 9 के 27 2p plus 30 is equal to 0 and 2p is equal to minus 30 then p is equal to minus 50. If we put p here minus the p then these two vectors are perpendicular. So this is the value of p. Now students, second part, when parallel, these two vectors are parallel. part, when even two vectors are parallel, two vectors are parallel. तो जो वेक्टर पैरेलल होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, इट मींस कि उसकी डायरेक्शन सेम है, दैट इज वी कैन राइट वेक्टर एज लैम्डा वेक्टर बी. So what is vector A? Students, A, you can write vector A1I plus A2J plus A3K. To lambda vector B, you can write B1I B2J plus B3. तो यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ से क्या होगा, जब आप कंपेयर कराएंगे तो A1 इक्वल टू लैम्डा B1, A2 इक्वल टू लैम्डा B2, A3 इक्वल टू लैम्डा B3. A1 इक्वल टू लैम्डा B1, A2 इक्वल टू लैम्डा B2 और A3 is equal to lambda B3. So here we can A1 upon B1 is equal to A2 upon B2 is equal to A3 upon A3 is equal to lambda. So this is the condition for parallel of two vectors. So ये अगर A1, A2, A3 इस तरीके से दो वेक्टर B1, B2, B3 दो वेक्टर given and two vectors are given, then the condition of parallel of two vectors is A1 upon B1 equal to A2 upon B2 A3 upon A3. It means जो corresponding टर्म्स होते हैं वो प्रोपोर्शनल में होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, इक्वल रेशियो में होते हैं. तो यहाँ पर इस प्रॉब्लम का जो क्या करेंगे, तो इन द गिवन प्रॉब्लम स्टूडेंट्स देयर आर so here 3i plus 2j plus 9k and I plus Pj plus 3k. These are two vectors, vector B, vector A. So from this conclusion we can write I का coefficient 3 upon 1 is equal to P upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 3. You get 3 upon 1 is equal to 3 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 upon 1. So P upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 1. It is P is equal to 6. इवन P की वैल्यू अगर स्टूडेंट 6 हो जाएगी तो हमारे पास ये जो है ये दोनों वेक्टर पैरेलल हो जाएंगे. सो दीस टू वेक्टर्स आर पैरेलल व्हेन P is equal to 6. Students, see every question carefully. How to solve the given problems in your examination. So students, third problem. Find the angle between two vectors, vector A and vector B having the same length root. Same length means vector A का length with magnitude mod A is equal to root 2 and mod B is equal to root. And here is scalar product. Vector A and vector B का scalar product A dot B is equal to -1. And we want to find theta equal to question angle between these two vectors. So we know that the formula cos theta is equal to A dot B on mod vector A dot mod vector B. So what is A dot B? A dot B is -1 for mod A is root 2 and this is root 2. So students, this makes cos theta is equal to -1/2 and -1/2 value is in the cos is cos 120. Cos 120. So theta is equal to 120. So that if students, the angles between given two vectors, vector A and vector B are 120. Now students, fourth problem, if vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap, 2I cap plus 5j cap, 3I plus 2j cap minus 3k cap and I cap minus 6j minus k cap respectively are the position vectors of points capital A, capital B, capital C and capital D. Then find the angle between the straight line AB and C. So students, ये ABCD के पोजीशन वेक्टर्स गिवन है. तो गिवन पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ A is equal to निकाल OA. So OA वेक्टर, what is OA वेक्टर? I cap plus J cap plus K. Similarly, position vector of B. Position vector of B. OB vector is equal to given 2I cap plus 5J. Position vector of capital C. OC vector. So what is OC vector, students? OC vector is 6I cap plus 2J cap minus 3K cap. Now students, position vector of D. Position vector of D. We call OD vector is equal to I cap minus 6J cap minus K. Now students, we want to find the angle between AB and CD. So first we find the AB vector and CD vector. So what is AB vector? So AB vector is equal to OB minus OA. So OB minus OA means subtraction of this vector with this vector. So OB minus 2I minus I, which gives I. 5J minus J, which gives plus positive 4J minus A. This is for AB vector. And now CD vector, students, CD vector is equal to OD minus OC. So OD minus OC means I minus 3I minus 2I minus 6J minus 2J minus 8J and minus K positive 3K and plus 2J. These are the two vectors. We must to find the angle between these two straight lines AB and CD. So let angle between AB and CD be theta. So angle between theta cos theta is equal to AB vector dot CD vector upon mod of AB vector dot CD vector upon mod of AB vector mod of CD. This is the formula for finding the angle between two lines. So this is the formula of finding the two vectors between two lines. This is the formula. First find AB dot CD. What find is students? The cos theta is equal to what is A dot B means I cap plus 4J cap minus K cap dot minus 2I cap minus 8J cap plus 2K cap upon mod of AB. So mod of AB, that is under root 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 1 square and 2 under root mod of CD vector का mod निकालेंगे स्टूडेंट, तो we get minus 2 square plus minus 8 square plus 2 square. So dot product of these two, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 then 4 into minus 8 4 into minus 8 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into 2 on 4 square is 16, 17, 18, root 18 on 4, 64, 68 and 4, 72. So minus 32, minus 2, minus 34, minus 36. So minus 36 upon we can write 272 as 18 into 4. So we get minus 36 upon 18 into 18 into 2. That is 36. So cos theta is equal to minus 1 and minus 1 is cos pi. So theta is equal to pi. So students, these two vectors, angle between these two vectors is 180. That is one in these two vectors, something like this. This is vector A and this is vector B. Because angle between two vectors is pi. So this is the angle between given two vectors. Now students, fifth problem. What is the fifth problem, students? Dot products of a vector with vectors 3I cap minus 5K cap, 2I cap plus 7J cap and I cap plus J बी -1 6 है -5 स्टूडेंट्स इसका और इसका डायरेक्ट -1 गिवन है, सेकंड और थर्ड का प्रोडक्ट ये +6 गिवन है एंड थर्ड एंड फर्स्ट का प्रोडक्ट 5 गिवन है और हमको वेक्टर चाहिए फाइनल वेक्टर। लेट solution given vectors are vector A, vector B and vector C. That is vector A is equal to P I cap minus 5 K cap. Vector B is equal to 2 I cap plus 7 J cap. And vector C is equal to I cap plus J cap plus K. Let the required vector is vector R is equal to xi cap plus y j cap plus z k. हमें स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा वेक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है जिसका कि स्केलर प्रोडक्ट इन वेक्टरों से गिवन हो। सो व्हाट इज गिवन? सो गिवन r वेक्टर डॉट a वेक्टर is equal to -1, that there implies what is r vector? xi plus yj plus zk dot a vector 3i minus 5k cap is equal to -1. That implies 3x plus y minus 5z is equal to -1। तो जब डॉट डॉट करते हैं तो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टर्म का करते हैं, आई कैप के कोएफिशिएंट आई के कोएफिशिएंट से जे कैप के कोएफिशिएंट कर देंगे, यहां जे कैप नहीं तो वही से बनाएगा। एंड दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर। सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट्स r डॉट वेक्टर b, व्हाट इज r डॉट r? b से क्या दिया हुआ है? इसके लिए प्रोडक्ट 6 दिया है, given 6 there implies what is r is this and b is this. So xi plus yj plus zk dot b vector is there 2i plus 7j is equal to 6. So this implies dot product is 2x plus 7y plus z is equal to 6. Equation number 6. Similarly, given students, vector r, scalar product between r and c is given 5. So there implies students xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap equal to 5. That implies x plus y plus z equal to 5. Equation number 3. Now students, solve these three equations and find the values of x, y and z. If you find the value of x, y, z, then put here, then we find the required vectors. So solve third minus 1 इक्वेशन थर्ड में इक्वेशन 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे। व्हाट इज थर्ड? x plus y is equal to 5 एंड इक्वेशन 1 क्या है? 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 1 माइनस क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट? इसमें कैंसिल आउट, then minus 2x and then this is 6z is equal to this is positive, then this is 6. So we get minus 2x minus x plus 3z is equal to 3. Equation number 4. Now similarly solve equation number second and third. Solve equation number second and third. तो स्टूडेंट्स इन इक्वेशनों को सॉल्व करके हमें x y z की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है। सो हमारे पास सेकंड और थर्ड को सॉल्व कर लेंगे। व्हाट इज सेकंड? दिस एंड दिस। तो सेकंड में क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? 2x Now second and third. From second and third. So second is this 2x plus 7y plus z is equal to 6, and third is this x plus y multiplied by 7. So 7 plus 7y and plus 7z is equal to 35. Now subtract, students. Minus minus minus, this gives, this will cancel out, minus 5x. This is minus 6z is equal to 35 minus 6, which is 6 minus 35, which is minus 29. Now students, solve this equation with this equation, equation number 3. So on solving 4th and 5th, on solving 4th and 5th, on solving 4th and 5th, we find x equal to 3, y equal to 0 and z equal to 2. X equal to 3, y equal to 0 and z equal to 2. So the required vector is, required vector vector r is xi cap plus yj cap plus z cap. So put the value of here, x is equal to 3, so r is equal to 3 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 2 k cap. So answer vector r is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 k. This is the required vector. इस वेक्टर का अगर हम वेक्टर a, वेक्टर b और वेक्टर c जो गिवन है उनसे डाल सकते हैं, तो स्क्वायर प्रोडक्ट -1, 6 और 5 ही है. So you can check the answer. Then you can then scalar product with vector a, r with vector a, and the answer is -1. R with vector b, the answer is 6. So this is the required vector. Now students, next problem, sixth problem, which is also very most important problem. For two vectors, vector a and vector b, if mod vector a plus vector b is equal to mod of vector a minus vector b, they prove that vector a and vector b are perpendicular. So students, given mod of vector a plus b is equal to mod of vector a minus b. So स्टूडेंट्स, किसी दो वेक्टरों का सम और डिफरेंस का मॉड जो है वो इक्वल है, तो मॉड जब इक्वल है तो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे, वेक्टर a प्लस वेक्टर b और स्क्वायर इज आल्सो इक्वल वेक्टर a माइनस वेक्टर b और स्क्वायर. अब स्टूडेंट्स, स्क्वायर भी लगा है, मॉड भी लगा है. स्क्वायर भी क्या करता है, किसी चीज को पॉजिटिव बना देता है, नेगेटिव वैल्यू को, और मॉड भी पॉजिटिव बना देता है. इट मींस यू कैन राइट दिस एज डाउन मॉड. सो यू कैन राइट मॉड a प्लस b का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू मॉड a माइनस vector a minus vector b whole square. Now students, open this formula, or this means किसी वेक्टर का ये दिया हुआ है, means vector a dot vector. अगर किसी वेक्टर का स्क्वायर दे रखा है, इसका मींस a dot a होता है. a dot a means ये, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं a plus b dot a plus b, and it also means a minus b dot a minus b. So students, this gives vector a whole square plus vector b square plus 2 vector a dot b dot a into a dot b, because a dot b equals b dot a. Similarly students, a minus b minus b whole square, you can also show a square plus b square minus 2 a dot b. Now students, this will cancel out from both sides. So now transfer this here. So 2a dot b plus 2a dot b. So a dot b twice that is equal to 0. So 4a dot b is equal to 0. Divide 4 on the other side. A dot b is equal to 0. So when a dot b is equal to 0, then we call both vectors, vector a and vector b, are perpendicular. So because this is the condition of perpendicular of two vectors. So vector a and vector b are perpendicular. students, seventh number problem. Find vector x mod if for a unit vector vector a, vector x minus vector a dot vector x plus vector a is equal to 15. So since vector a is unit vector, so unit vector का mod क्या होता है? Hence mod of vector a is equal to 1. तो कभी भी यूनिट वेक्टर का जो मॉडुलस होता है वो यूनिट वेक्टर का मॉडुलस ऑलवेज 1 होता है. तो नाउ we have to find x vector minus a vector dot x vector minus a. So a minus b, so a plus b, which gives a square minus b. You can also write this as given क्या है 15 since equal to 15. Given हमारे पास यहाँ बच्चों x square minus vector a square is equal to 15. You can write this as also from this form minus mod of vector a square is equal to 15. So mod of vector a is equal to given 1. So friends, you can write mod of vector s square minus 1 is equal to 15. So mod of vector s whole square is equal to 16. So mod of x is equal to 4. So this is the value of mod vector x. Now moving on to our next problem, 8th number problem, students. If vector a plus vector b plus vector c equal to 0 and mod of vector a equal to 3, mod of vector b equal to 5 and mod of vector c equal to 7, then find the angle between vector a and vector b. So students, यहाँ पर हमारे पास given है mod of a is equal to mod of vector a is equal to 3, mod of vector b is equal to 5 and mod of vector c is equal to 7. And given vector a plus vector b plus vector c is equal to 0. अब हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? a और b के बीच का एंगल निकालना है. तो a और b के बीच का एंगल निकालना है तो इसको c उठा कर ले जाएंगे तो a dot a plus b is equal to minus c. Now squaring both sides, students. So a dot b, we can write a dot b whole square is equal to minus c whole square. So this means this gives mod of vector a square plus mod of vector b square plus 2 a dot b is equal to mod of vector c. And since mod of a is given 3 square, mod of vector b 5 square, and 2 a dot b formula is mod a into mod b cos theta. Where theta is the angle between a and b. Is equal to mod of c is given 7 is 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, and 2 into 8 mod a is 3 into mod a is 5 cos theta is equal to 49. Now 25 plus 9 is equal to 34. 49 minus 34, which is the 6 minus the 30. Cos theta is equal to 49 minus 34, which gives 15. 30 cos theta is equal to 15. So cos theta is equal to 15 upon 30, which is 1 upon 2. And 1 upon 2 is the value of angle 60 in the cos. So you can write cos 60. So angle between a and b is 60. So answer is 60. So this is again very most important problem. Now students, moving further, our next problem, which is 9th problem, based on scalar product or dot product. If vector a, vector b, vector c are unit vectors such that vector a plus vector b plus vector c is 0, then find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. So students, since vector a, vector b, vector c are unit vectors, so mod of vector a is equal to 1, mod of vector b is equal to 1, and mod of vector c is equal to 1. तो यूनिट वेक्टर का मॉडुलस होता है, students, वो 1 होता है. we have given vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0. So students, self stable product कर देंगे students, the both side का square कर देंगे, and this is 0. So we get A square plus B square modulus plus C square plus 2 A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. This is the formula. This is 0. Now given students, mod of A is 1, mod of B is 1, mod of C is 1. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is plus 2 A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. So students, there is 3 plus 2 A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. So students, A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is the answer of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Now 10th problem. If A cap and B cap are unit vectors inclined at angle theta, then prove that sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 mod of A cap minus B cap. So this is also the most important problem, students. So see this here for problem number 10, solution of 10 number. So A cap and B cap are unit vectors. Since A cap and B cap are unit vectors, so unit vectors, it means modulus of A cap is equal to modulus of B cap is equal to 1. And angle theta is angle mean there. So prove that this. Now students, we can write mod A cap minus B cap whole square is equal to mod A cap plus mod of B cap square minus 2 A cap dot B cap cos by the formula, because अगर हम इसी वेक्टर का मॉड का स्क्वायर करते हैं तो हमारे पास इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं A कैप माइनस B कैप इनटू होल स्क्वायर, या फिर A कैप माइनस B कैप डॉट A कैप माइनस B कैप की फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, और C को हम लोग मॉड A कैप माइनस B कैप का होल स्क्वायर, तो मॉड A कैप माइनस B कैप होल स्क्वायर को हम इस तरह की फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, इसको फिर हम इस तरीके से लिख करके और जब ओपन करेंगे तो ये निकल जाएगा। और थीटा कहां से आया, क्योंकि थीटा वेक्टर का A कैप और B कैप के बीच का एंगल है। Now students, this is mod 1, this is 1 minus 2 A dot B mod of it, mod of it. So this is also 1 into 1 cos theta. And here is A cap minus B cap mod square. So this gives 2 minus 2 cos theta. Here A cap minus B cap mod whole square. Common to 1 minus cos theta. So, and we have to put that in terms of sine. So here, apply the formula of cos 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. So here is 2. Here 1 cancel out, it gives 2 sine square theta by 2. So mod of A cap minus B cap whole square is 4 sine square theta by 2. Taking the square in both sides, So students, square root of like both sides, then we get mod of A cap minus B cap is equal to 2 sine theta by 2. So that implies sine theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 mod of A cap minus B cap. So here is the required result. Now 11th problem. So 11th problem, students. What is the 11th problem? Let vector A, vector B, vector C be three vectors of magnitude 3, 4 and 5 respectively if each one is perpendicular to sum of other two vectors, then prove that mod of a cap plus b cap plus c cap is equal to 5 root 2. So students, magnitude जो है वेक्टर A का, वेक्टर A is equal to 3, mod of vector A, mod of vector B is equal to 4 and mod of vector C is equal to 5. These are the given respectively if each one is perpendicular. Since each one is perpendicular to the sum of other two, since each vector is perpendicular to vector B plus vector C. Similarly, vector B is perpendicular to vector C plus vector A and vector C is perpendicular to vector A plus vector A. It means two vectors are perpendicular. It means hence A dot B plus C is equal to 0, comma B dot these two are perpendicular, then B dot C plus A is equal to 0 and these two are perpendicular, then C dot A plus B is equal to 0. So here A dot B plus A dot C is equal to 0. Here B dot C, from here B dot A is equal to 0 and from here C dot A plus C dot B is equal to 0. Adding this, add करेंगे students, 2 times B dot B हो जाएगा, तो B dot A B इक्वल होता है, तो इसका मतलब 2A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A, this will equal 0. So now students, we want to find the value of mod A plus mod B plus mod C. Mod A plus mod A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Now students, we had mod A plus mod B plus mod C equal to A square plus B vector square plus C vector square plus 2 A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. This is the formula. Now we can write square लगाए, इसको mod form में लिख सकते हैं students. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग इसको इस फॉर्म में भी राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं. इसको mod A का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं, इसको mod B का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं, mod C का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. Plus 2 A dot B. अब A dot B, B dot C plus A dot A की वैल्यू 0 है, तो students ये 0 हो जाएगा. And mod A plus B plus C square equal to, what is mod A? Mod A is 3 square 9. Mod B is 4 16. Mod C is 5 25, which gives 50. So mod A plus mod B plus mod C is equal to 50 whole square. So this gives, taking square root, then we get mod A plus B plus C is equal to 50 square root 5 root 2. So this is the answer of given problem. So these are some problems, very most important problem based on scalar vector. So students, in my next video, I will tell you about vector product or cross product. So thank you students.